Hi, welcome to L1 Auto. Today I'm gonna fix Toyota Sienna 2006 BVTI engine. It's 3.3 of alternator. This is the alternator not charging battery. This is the alternator right here. After you take the battery terminal off, then you need to take this. This is 10mm bolt right here, 110mm. Push the tab right here, like this tab, this one. Just pull it right here, like this. 10mm right here. This 10mm. Lift it up. Oh, there's a little nut. Don't lose it. Loose. I tried it. After that, take this up like this. And then try to make a little room so this pipe I can wiggle. So I need to take this 10mm off right there. Right there. 10mm. These are 14mm bolt. There's a 2 bolt, one here, one right down, right here. See this one? Right here. So I'm gonna take this bracket off to make a little more room here. This is 14mm. There we go. Mix this up too. Tight. Tight. See right there, there's a more room. So there's a one tab right there. The tab is broke. There's a usually just there's a little tab right there. Just pull it and push it. I'll go right here. Like how much loose you have to put the bell. See this? I push the thumb and bell is moving like a little bit. Not like crazy moving, see? But if you cannot figure out how you can put this, see the board right there? You can mark, like mark with the ink or white paint, something right there. Like, so when you tie it up, it's like matching with this, or how many turns you're losing. Pull little mark or turn little by little, how many turns you losing, like remember, just tie it up that many times. So that's how you can make it. This board I can use now with your hand. This is a really long board, and the top one is long. You have to remember this, the top one is long board. To take the belt off, you need to loose it up, this bolt. See the bolt right there? It's all the way. The down bolt is very bold. Then you can easily remove this belt. See this? Remove it. When you remove the belt, I'm gonna put one of the clip right here. So tie it up. I'll show you after I put it in. Right there, I just pinched the bell so bell is not going all the way down. Or you can put some. After losing this tensioner bolt, this one, tensioner bolt, this right there. This tensioner bolt, there's a tensioner lock bolt right there. So we need to take off this tensioner lock bolt all the way. See that I take all the way out this bolt. We need to take it off. Right there. See it right there. After losing that bolt, you can just just pry. See this? It's out. And now is the tricky part. As you line, they have the clip. Just take this clip off. It's come easily. Ready? Take this like this off, so you can move this SE line. And right here, see this? This is the hole that the compression will come. See, this is the radiator hose. This all this SE line. We can just something right there, right there. See, I put the bungee cord, the SE line right here, so I have a lot of room right here. I can move this one a little bit. Right there. There's the one bowl, 10mm bowl right there. Just take it off. Then this. After that, press it upside down. Then easily like this. Pressure it out. This is out now. So you see the ball is right there. There was the 12mm ball right there. I take all the way. That's all you have to do. You need to lose 2 balls. Right there, one. This one. 1 ball here, 1 ball other side. 12mm and 14. And 10mm loosen up. Just leave it like this. Where you put it in, just remove reverse removal. That's all. Just put it in and tie the belt, tensioner. That's how you change your alternator. Thank you for watching.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.